Are you going to do hands up? Hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Hands up.
Your mother will not mind at all if you do.
Hands up. Hands up. Do we have tired Thomas the Train people here? Thomas the Train people here? Tired Thomas Train? Yeah, good call, good call. Nice! Nice hat, brother! Conductor Klein. Conductor Brennan. Hi! Hi! I'm videotaping. Your feet stink. Pardon? Oh, you found my lipstick. Your cheeks? What about your lips? Can you put that? Okay, I'll take that. Thank you. What are you laughing at in there? What are you laughing at in there? What are you laughing at? Okay, you putting some lipstick on?
My friends Sally and Nick need to get cleaned up. Happy to help.
Thank you. Thank you. What are you doing in there? What are you doing in there? What are you doing? You are not getting this camera. You are not getting this camera. Oh! Who wants to be involved? I think you have enough on. What do you think? That's good, eh? That's a lot. You have a lot on. Okay, that's good, Bren. Thank you. Did Nana cut your bangs? They look good. Can you say thank you? Brennan, say thank you, Auntie. You're welcome. Can you do something funny for the camera? Pardon? I'm taking a video of you. See, like, there's my mic. See?